The 20th of January, the best cryptocurrencies to buy include NEXO, MEMAG, HBAR, FGHT, ENJ, CCHG, APE, RIA, SNX, TARO, and D2T. The cryptocurrency market has increased by 1.5% over the previous day, recouping some of yesterday's minor losses. Its overall size has increased to $1.01 trillion, up 7% in a week and 20% in a month, as a result of last week's release of favorable US inflation data. Even though the market as a whole hasn't moved much today, a few tokens have reported noteworthy gains. This article evaluates them and includes several new altcoins that are currently participating in pre-sales in its list of the best cryptocurrencies to buy right now. Nexo's NEXO share price has increased 16% in the past day to reach $0.832523. Additionally, it reflects a gain of 16.5% in 1 week and a 27% rise in the previous 30 days. For one clear reason only, NEXO has seen strong gains today. The SEC fined cryptocurrency lender Nexo for failing to register the offer and sale of its retail crypto asset lending product, the Earn Interest product, and the two parties have now reached a $45 million settlement. The market has interpreted this settlement, which comes after a time when Nexo's Bulgarian offices were searched in connection with money laundering, as a sign that the lender will probably not have any additional significant legal or regulatory repercussions, or further customer withdrawals. In other words, when NEXO continues its climb back to its all-time high of $4.07, established in May 2021, it might be smooth sailing from here on out. Guild of MetaMasters, MEMAG. With almost $700,000 raised so far in its pre-sale, MetaMasters Guild has proven how well liked the play-to-earn gaming platform is with investors even before its formal launch. MetaMasters Guild is a mobile-focused gaming guild that will create a variety of Web3 and play-to-earn games. It is scheduled to release its debut game in Q3 2023. It will use its native token, MEMAG, for staking, purchasing goods and NFTs, as well as for governance functions. 7 stages will make up the token sale, with the current stage's second giving 1 MEMAG for $0.001. Hedera, HBAR. At $0.061650, HBAR is up 8% over the last day and 29% over the last week. The proof-of-stake coin has increased by 43% over the past 30 days, but it is still 89% below its all-time high price of $0.569229. Set in September 2021. The indicators on HBAR show that momentum is now quite strong. Its 30-day moving average, red, is on track to surpass its 200-day moving average, blue, and its relative strength index, purple, has risen over 80, signaling a breakout. This rally has a lot to do with the expansion of HBAR's native platform, Hedera. This is a Layer 1 proof-of-stake blockchain with a distinct hash graph-based structure that has experienced very rapid organic growth in recent weeks. Additionally, it has formed a number of new alliances, including one with security and digital ID management WiseKey that was publicized at the World Economic Forum. As a result, this year's growth in Hedera and HBAR, which is utilized for fees and staking, is expected. With 1 FGHT currently selling for $0.0166, its token sale, which started in December and has already raised over $3 million, is a success. The auction is scheduled to expire on March 31st and the currency is expected to generate market-beating profits for early investors by the time it is listed on exchanges on April 5th. Engine Coin, ENJ has increased by 1% in the last day to reach $0.420110. Despite this, the gaming token has increased by 37% in the past week and by 58% in the past month, which is excellent news for other gaming and metaverse-related coins. Like other performing currencies right now, ENJ's RSI is getting very close to 80. At the same moment that its 30-day average anticipates a large breakout, this shows intense purchasing pressure. The recent increases follow Engine's announcement of its first significant update for 2023, which includes the release of Engine Wallet 2.0 for iOS and Android as well as numerous efficiency-improving changes. Its new wallet is noteworthy in that it makes NFT ownership more accessible to a wider population by allowing users to download them by simply scanning QR codes. In the crypto ecosystem broadly speaking, Engine is the largest platform for creating NFTs that can be applied to games and other applications. C+ Charge, CCHG. A peer-to-peer payment network for electric vehicle, EV, charging stations is called C+ Charge, CCHG. It is based on BNB Chain and has raised little over $337,000 in its pre-sale. It wants to leverage blockchain and cryptocurrency to democratize access to carbon credits. EV owners will use its native CCHG to pay for charging within its network. In order to encourage people to go green, C+ Charge will offer consumers NFT-based carbon credits for charging their EVs at its stations. Additionally, it has already signed partnerships with Flowcarbon and Perfect Solutions Turkey, expanding its network to include 20% of the country's EV chargers. ApeCoin, Ape is at $4.95, up 7% over the past day and 2% over the past week. The governance token for ApeCoin DAO has also increased by 23% in the past week and by 40% over the past 30 days at the same time. According to APE's chart, a significant rise could be just getting started, according to its indicators. After a brief decline, its RSI is now rising again near 70, and its 30-day average is on the verge of passing its 200-day, indicating a breakout. The launch of Dookie Dash by Bored Ape Yacht Club has been a major factor in APE's recent success. Regardless of the name's virtues, in order to play the game, one must possess BAYC NFTs, which has caused Ape and these NFTs' demand to soar recently. Who knows how long this effect will persist, but given that BAYC is still the largest NFT-related asset in cryptocurrency, Ape is likely to keep rising as the market continues to recover. Calvaria, RIA. The final phase of the token sale for the upcoming play-to-earn battle card game Calvaria has raised over $2.80. With the currency set to debut on exchanges like LBANK Exchange and BKEX Global in the next weeks, this indicates that only 7% of the total amount of RIA coins are still accessible. Calvaria, which will be accessible on PC and mobile devices, doesn't require any cryptocurrency to play, however it does include a lot of play-to-earn features. This makes it more approachable than currently available blockchain-based games and may make it available to a larger audience. The game's world, which is situated in a mythological afterlife, is scheduled to debut in Q2 2023. Players will be able to acquire and improve a large ecosystem of collectible cards, which may then be used in battle against various game universe factions. Network Synthetics, SNX. At $2.39, SNX has increased an amazing 12% in just one day. It has also increased by 30% over the past week and 47% over the past month, but the liquidity token is still down 91% from its all-time high of $28.53 in February 2021. SNX indications point to more gains, particularly given how much of 2022 its RSI was in a depressed state. Fundamentally, the Synthetics Network, a system that permits the creation of synthetic assets and derivatives on the Ethereum blockchain, is gradually expanding, which is advantageous for SNX. For instance, Polynomial Protocol will introduce a decentralized exchange for synthetics derivatives trading. The recent publication of a second version of Synthetics' Perpetuals integration documentation, which makes it easier for developers to launch on the network, has aided in this debut. The overall value locked in for the Synthetics network has started to increase once more and is at $385 million. This is merely a suggestion as to how significant it might develop later in the year. Robot-Era, Taro. Robot-Era, a sandbox-style metaverse powered by Ethereum, allows users to contribute to the construction of NFT-based structures and lands. By the end of Q2 2023, an alpha version of its metaverse galaxy is anticipated. From that point on, new gaming aspects, including as VR and AR technologies, will be added. It started a pre-sale for its Taro token towards the end of the previous year, and as of right now, it has raised more than $720,000. By connecting their Wallet Connect cryptocurrency wallet to the Robot-Era website, investors can buy Taro for either ETH or USDT. Currently, one Taro is being sold for $0.020, but, during the second part of the sale, which will soon start, this price will increase to $0.025 per unit. Overall, there will be 3 stages, totaling 15% of TARO's 1.5 billion maximum supply, with the largest portions reserved for its DAO-based treasury, 33%, and for user play to earn prizes, 25%.